YouTube, we got an Andis package in the mail. I wasn't expecting to get this early. Like, if it is what I think it is, then dang, it came quick.
And that's why our family will only try.
So what I'm hoping it is the new Andis trimmer or Black Masters. Alright. It's the new Andis Black Label trimmer.
A touristy me on the perfect.
Pretty much same old as far as the look of these ones. Didn't they already come in black? Arlen, didn't they come in black in this already? Let me see it. Yeah. Hey, what's the difference? I mean, the blade is different. That's really the difference. The blade is the real difference. I do know that. But what's the difference as far as the body? You got the white Andis versus the emboss Andis. I don't know. I would have rather the emboss instead of this paint over. Yeah, I'm gonna test these out. Stay tuned. Listen, in 2024, you got to understand where we at nowadays, all right? We especially as far as trimmers go. For me, in my opinion, I feel like it's better to have an okay fade and a nice crispy lineup. I'm not one of them guys that would rather have a dope fade and an okay lineup. That's just not what it is for me, okay? And when I give you my opinion on this trimmer, you got to keep that in mind, okay? The trimmers that I go out and get, I need it to be the top diggity dog best trimmers in the game. And I cop these, all right? And these, I'm about to share my opinion. Stay tuned. So as I take these out of the box, I just want to talk about the specs on this trimmer. It is the industry's first and only magnetic tension system for more power and cutting precision. The M-Force blade provides more consistent blade speed and temperature, designed easier for maintenance and less wear and tear. This is a high-speed rotary motor with 7200 SPM. These trimmers said it's a true zero gap for next level outlining and design, and when I took these out of the box, these were definitely more zero gap than the out of the box experience that you usually get with different trimmers. Inside of the box, it comes with a premium stand. It has that titanium, color to it. It'd have been, for me personally, it would have been better if they would have made it all black, but hey, you get a stand with it. Also comes with a charging cord, some trimmer guards, info book, some trimmer oil, and a dust brush. So as you can see, I got them in about a week ago. I unboxed it. I showed you guys the specs and all of what it comes with, but I have to be honest with you guys. As a barber that's experienced and you're looking to find that, top tier liners, these are not it. I don't think that these are it for the top tier barber, but for a regular barber that, it's your first trimmer, a new barber, you're trying to get your feet wet, I can see you rocking with these. But as far as having some hitters, to me, these ain't it. You know what I'm saying? The price point is cool, but just for me, I was expecting more. I was definitely looking forward to the Masters over these, but I seen that they came out with these too, so I just went ahead and copped it anyway. But as far as these, I don't feel like they're over this. You know what I'm saying? These are classics right here, and they still stand the test of time. Like, to me, these right here are my number one go-tos, the wall high vis, and to stack it up against this, I just don't feel like this compares to, my hitters. Now, does this cut, does this work? Yes, it works. It balled out good. It gives a decent lineup, but is it that lineup that you like? That crispiness, that crunch, that special liner that you're looking for? I don't think that these is it. Overall, these is cool, and I'll show you some cuts that I did with them. They did go ahead and make these more silent as compared to the old version of these. This is what the old version sounds like. This is what the new version sounds like. As you can see, they did make some improvements on the sound. Did they make improvements on the motor? I don't think so. These are supposed to have like the new blade technology to it, the magnetic like clicks and all that.
He's a good player, but has gone into the Pro Football Hall of Fame. Now you're the one. How would you describe what this honor means to you?
It means a lot to be here. It's really starting to hit now, you know, being here and going through everything that was going through this weekend, man. It's just it's a tremendous honor.
I just don't feel like that did anything to the trimmer or made it better than these. I feel like at the end of the day, it's the same trimmer. I don't see the improvement as far as cutting wise. Do I see an improvement of how silent the motor is? Yes. I don't see an overall improved in performance as far as cutting. If I gotta rate this from 1 out of 10, honestly, I give this a 6. I was expecting more. I'm not trying to bash any trimmer. I'm just trying to be as real as possible to give you guys my take on liners. My top liners right now, I'm telling you, my top liners right now are the high vis. All right, this is best trimmer 2024 to me, in my opinion. Like I said, you guys could go get this. All right, this is my opinion. I feel like coming up second is the Babyliss trimmer. These two trimmers best in the game right now. But yeah, man, shout out to Andis for attempting to basically come through and give us, you know, some new technology. I tip my hat to them, but I just want to see a little bit more in the motor. You know what I'm saying? Like vibration wise, this feels so much powerful than these do. These don't feel as strong as what every trimmer is coming out with, man. You could just feel the vibration in these, and the Andis just ain't doing it for me as far as like even feeling the power. But like I said, I'm waiting on the Masters to come. I'm gonna do a review on that. The Masters, I'm expecting them to be quiet. That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting them to cut the same, but just to be more quiet. Like these right here, these gotten a little loud. He's gotten a little loud, but I still rock with these. In the black version, I expect them to be quieter. Basically judging off of these, to me, these are just quiet, more quiet, and that's cool. The black, all I'm really expecting is to be more quiet. That's it, all right? And if they do that, you basically got me sold, all right? I can't wait to get them in. It says it's getting in on Thursday, so I'll probably have something out to you guys on Tuesday. On Tuesday, next Tuesday, I should have something out, basically unboxing them. But yeah, that's basically it, man. This is the review. It's not much. I didn't want to drag this out, man. I just wanted to be straightforward. Showed it off. Great look, but to me, this is, like I said, a 6. All right, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. If you like the review, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, all right? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Peace.